Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Jezebel B. Gumiran, 31 years old, from the Philippines. My height is 162 cm. My weight is 63 kilograms. I am married with 2 kids. I am a college graduate. I took a Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, major in Animal Husbandry. I have work experience as a local helper from 2012 to 2014, serving family of 3, 2 adults, and 1 child. I also work in Manila from 2021 to 2024, serving a family of 5, 2 adults, 2 kids, and 1 elderly. My duties are house cleaning, laundry, ironing, gardening, car washing, cooking, preparing the food, and taking care of the elderly. I am also willing to take care of a newborn baby and even a disabled elderly. I hope, Ma'am and Sir, you will hire me. Thank you.